you leak when you sneeze, cough, or laugh, this is not normal, okay? If you're having leakage of urine when you're doing activities, you should definitely go see a pelvic floor therapist. One tip that I'll give is when you are about to cough or sneeze or laugh is trying to contract your pelvic floor muscles and activate them so that they're squeezing and holding so that you don't have leakage. Now, not everyone should be doing Kegels, so if you're struggling with this or noticing some discomfort, you should definitely get an evaluation.